So, has it been raining here? I think it has. I saw some large puddles. So this is a song about the end of the rain. I want to tell you a little story about this song. Actually, I wrote it about 20 years ago. One of my oldest songs. It's been recorded by several other artists, which is always a high compliment for me as a songwriter to have my songs recorded by other people. But the highest compliment that was paid to me in relation to this song actually was given to me by my sister, who's not a musician at all, and she suffered a very sad loss about 2 years ago. Her husband was killed in a road accident, my brother-in-law. She wanted me to come over to the funeral and sing, which I was very honoured to do, and she wanted me to sing this particular song. Apparently it was one of Stuart's favourite songs, so that meant a lot to me as a songwriter. It was a great affirmation for me that she should want to hear this song on that day of all days. Anyway, it's actually a very hopeful song, and it's about the moment when the rain is over, and this is called After the Rains. After the Rains.
The eagle shakes his feathers dry after the rains are gone, makes his home the wide blue sky after the rains are gone, and colors waiting to the maze are open to the gentle rays of the day to come after the rains are gone. We will walk in clearer lights after the rains are gone, and we will see with clear sight after the rains are gone. And when the rain dries on our cheeks to leave us on our mountain peak, then we will hear our vision speak. After the rains are gone, far from the thunder's reach, we'll hear a different song, love calling each to each, and through the mist of joy and pain, morning bird will sing again, though the night was long. And if no trace of us remains to say we walked in love's domain, his will be our song after the rains are gone. The eagle shakes his feathers down after the rains are gone, makes his home the wide blue sky after the rains are gone, after the rains are gone.